All right, we're here, Casa De Malouff, day number 11. And as you see, we got an open space up there. Van's not here because I had to bring the bike. Van's in the truck or in the shop, getting oil change and preventative maintenance. We got the roofers here, replacing the roof, tearing this stuff up. So we got a lot of progress going on today. Let's go this way. Check out the roof. Look at that. I need to look at that thing, man. Careful, guy. I need to come in there and go into the attic and run my security camera cables to where the cameras are going to go. So all this is going to be replaced again. So, yeah. Oh, hello? Yes, ma'am. Okay, sorry I put you on hold. I had to make a phone call or get a phone call. So we're up in the roof. I'll take care of that. Roofers are taking care of this. And like I said, this is a complete rebuild. You know, somebody who told me one time, oh, you don't have to do this, you don't have to do that. It's only $30,000 to remodel the house and fix it up and you can live in it. My ass. Some people don't know shit. So anyways, we're all good. It's all good. Everything is good. It's a blessing. Everything is good. Tree's going to be trimmed. And then all the wood's going to be saved. All the wood's going to be saved for the fireplace. May have a fire pit out here one day. Who knows? Maybe I'll put a fire pit out here. We'll see. Anyways, okay. Back to work. Gotta work. Alright, we're up on top. That's what it looks like from inside. They're tearing everything out. Doing it all the way. I'm running my cameras, my wires. I gotta wait for them to move a couple spots right there so I can count a camera over there and a camera over that side. And they're gonna replace the roof, but no full video on roof replacement, just this. So worry about that shit later. Okay, we're still working on the roof. Some knucklehead dumbass, who would do such a thing like that? Don't tell nobody. That's why we didn't video the whole thing. That's why I didn't, I filmed it. You'll find my fat ass into that ceiling. Anyways, that's for a camera. Got another camera over there. I gotta pull that down. Got the office. All the wires in. All right. Let's take a step out back. See what they're doing. Gotta watch out for nails. So probably no work to be done inside the house today. This is going to be a very short video for day 11 because I actually have work to do. Yeah. Work meaning business, meaning official business for money, get paid. So I got to go home and get on my computer so I can get paid next week. So I can pay for this shit. So, all the insulation upstairs is going to get blown out next week. They're putting in a roof. So the all this stuff will be done next week. Or next 2 weeks. They're going to finish the attic or the chimney with this after the roof is done. Now later we got to see about the support beams for the structure before I tear these walls out. So maybe these walls don't come out. Okay, anyways, everything else stays the same. Everything else is the same. So they're just working on the roof today. I'm gonna take a break. I gotta go home, take care of business. I'll come back later just to follow up maybe this afternoon and see how it goes. So they're working very hard, doing a great job. I don't see the shingles, so I don't know if they're coming later with the shingles tomorrow or what. But as long as they put down the deck and the felt, we're okay. All right, so this will stop for day 11 for right now until later on. All right, I just want to clarify something and go over something. The old deck, I don't know if I can get a piece of it. They already threw it away. The old material right there, 3/8 inch thick, very small, thin. What do you expect from the 1980s? So today we're putting in 1/2 inch. So that is like barely even plywood of any kind, cheap shit wood. And we got the, I guess, the decking that it requires now. So they're having lunch. They're enjoying their lunch right now. I'm going to give them their piece while they eat lunch. So we hope to finish the deck and the felt. So all that's going to be done today. And I'll show you a little fun thing. Okay. I already filmed this earlier. This hole is because I actually stepped on that Raptor beam right there. My heel went back and boop, fat ass went through. That was kind of fun, but it was okay. My fault. Can't blame anybody but myself. But you can't have things like that and not have fun laughing about it. So also here in the garage, I did the same thing, but I didn't make that big ass hole. I made a small one, but when they threw this over, it fell and made the bigger hole. So we got a little bit of work to do in here. So like I said, they're going to do the deck and felt. All that's going to be done today, and shingles will be here tomorrow. Roof will be done. So this is the video for today, day 11, right? I think day 11. So sorry it's a short video. I wanted to get a lot of work done, but I actually got a phone call from one of my personal business that I got to deal with, so that I could get paid, so I can pay for this $1 million job. So anyway, day 11 is a short day. Now I may go home and come back later and video, so you may get another video after this one. Okay, anyways, like, subscribe, all that other crap, share, laugh, joke, talk shit about my holes in the wall. It's all good. See you around.